Welcome to D4 Learner. I am Manik Hussain. Today I will teach you how to transfer message in Java using Java Socket. First of all, you need to open Eclipse IDE. I have opened Eclipse IDE. Now create a new project. Create a new Java project. Name it server. Click on finish. Now create another Java project. Name it client. Click on finish. Now create a class in your server project. Name of the class should be server.java. Include public static void main. Now create another class in your client package. Name it client.java. Include main function. Now delete the auto-generated code from each line. From client and from server. Now initiate a server socket object. Name it servsock. You can have a different name. Here provide a port number that should be different from any local port number we usually use, such as file transfer protocol port number, email port number, etc. Import server socket and add through exception. Add a socket object. Connect it with server socket to accept the messages. Now import socket. Now go to client class. Create a socket object here. The socket will be localhost as we are transferring message in our localhost. If you do this to different PC, then you should type here the IP address of other PC. Import the socket, add through exception. Now go to where your server.java file is located. Type there cmd and compile your server file using server.java. Then go to your client class and run cmd. Compile your client class using java c space client.java. compile your server class using javac space server.java. Server class successfully compiled. Now run server class using java space server. Client class successfully compiled. Now run client class using java space client. Our both class has been successfully executed, but there is no result because we have not printed anything. Now create a scanner object in your server class. This will scan anything which is sent from client. Connect it with the socket using get input stream. Import scanner. Now create a printwriter object which will write on client's screen. That means this will write through the socket, so we need to connect it with socket. Get output stream. Import printwriter. Save your file. Now go to client class and take here a scanner object as the server file. Connect it with the socket using get input stream. Import scanner. Take a printwriter object. Connect it with the socket using get output stream. Import printwriter. Now type here system.out.println, which will print on the screen of this side, that means on client. pr.println will print anything to server's screen, that means through the socket. Say hello to server. Now save the file. Go to the server file. Write here a print statement system.out.println. This will print on the server system. Print there in dot next line, that means the immediate line received from the client. Now write another line using PR, this will be written in client say welcome to client in response to hello. Now run your server and client file as before. First compile them, then run. Our both file has been compiled and run successfully. Here we can see success in client and hello in server, but we cannot see welcome in client because we did not receive. To receive welcome statement, write here a system print statement. What will print in dot next line, that means the immediate line received from the server. Now go to your command line and compile again. Run your server, then run your client. Now we can see welcome message. Now run a print statement in your client file. This will ask to the server for time, and the second line system.out.println will print the time received from the server. Go to your server class. Write here a system print statement which will write what the client asked for. Then create a print statement for client. That will print the thing the client asked, that is time. Import local date. Save your file. Now go to CMD. Compile server file. Compile client file. Run server file. Then run client file. Now we can see every messages and time is date. To get all upcoming videos, subscribe our channel. You can find here various videos about technologies. So hurry up, subscribe and turn on the bell notification.